to Billy Bonkers, the Labradoodle's channel. I'm Billy's owner. I thought I'd introduce myself. I am the silly person doing the silly voices in the previous videos. So I hope you don't mind that. That voice was definitely born out of love, because every time I see Billy, I just want to go, "What is the matter, Billy? What are you doing, Billy? Billy, you're so clever. Paw? Billy, you stinky boy." So Billy's gonna have a bath. Do you want to come along with us and see Billy get all fluffy and pudgy? And what can you see, Billy? Who's there, Billy? Billy always gets super excited when he's had a bath. He's still wet. He doesn't really like the hairdryer. Billy, look what I got! Do you like it, Billy? No way! Hey, Billy, do you want it? Shall we try, Billy? Uh-oh, no, Mum. No, Mum. Ah! No way! He's just scarpered. So as you can see, Billy just scarpered off as soon as the hairdryer came anywhere near him. So we are just going to give the hairdryer a miss and going to let him dry naturally as he always does. I thought it might be fun actually just to put the hairdryer on just to show you how much he hates it. Let me know if your dog reacts to the hairdryer or like to a cleaner or any kind of like appliance or anything, just anything. Just let me know down below what your dog hates. You could probably hear Billy in the background. He's quite happy now because the hairdryer's gone. So we might have to wait a few hours to show you how Billy looks after his bath. But, you know, thanks for watching so far. Stick to the end so that you can see the fluffy boy, the fluffy Billy Bonkers. Yeah, thank you, and I'll see you in a bit. Hey everyone, Billy has had his bath. He's nice and clean and fluffy. Smells delicious. He smells like a cotton candy shop, and I think he's looking pretty gorgeous. What do you think? Let us know in the comments down below. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we hope to see you in the next one. Bye everyone.